BGD, hello, good morning. Where are you from, BGD? Thank you. Hello, bait mo. Thank you. Bait mo talaga sa akin. Bait mo talaga. I love you talaga. Kung stalker ko, dili magganit mo ko ad. Hi, Pards. Good morning. BGD, where are you from? Guys, kiss me gift. Kiss me gift, guys. Manifesting, guys. Kiss me gift. Hello, Agila. Good morning. Ayaw mag-touch. Hello, Idang. Good morning. Iniwan mo ko. Gibiyaan ko ni mo drop zone. Wala kay ano. Di kay buot ba? Kanya ko stalker, wala buot ba? Ako na mag-istorya, biyaan na pa. Gimingaw ka na ako. Nawala ko 2 days no. Oo. Wala kay buot. Biyaan din mo. Hi, Pao. Yes, miss you. Miss you too. Asa na itong pakismi di happy? Ipakismi ko ba? Hi, Hashan. Good morning. Asa na itong kiss me dira ron? Night, Lexi. Hello. Panay magpakismi na ako, guys. Hindi ko yung new love, ah. Ultimate. Hello. Chin. Hello. Good morning. ID out there. Welcome back. Okay, diyan. 500 plus yung score mo. Ha? Talaga ba? 500 plus to yung score ko? Asan? Asan ba yung score ko? Wala naman, ah. Boba ka ba? Good morning, Ate Rosa. Prince, good morning. How are you? Where are you from, Prince? BG! Where are you from, BG? Boss A, good morning. Farms. BG, you have guess my gift for me, BG. Ipang-cake mo yan kasi basta yung kamay ko. Di ako makaano. Di ako makapang-cake. Hi, Ray. Good morning. Hello, KJ. KJ. KJ yarn. Singkamas. Hello. Good morning. Singkamas. At morning. Igarilas at morning. Hello, Silent. Good morning. My owner. Good morning. Hello. Nico. Good morning, Nico. Cards. Hello, cards. Guys, makis-gift nyo naman ako, guys. So, good morning. Good morning, my owner. For value, hello. Thank you. Guys, first nyo ko 3-star today, guys. Yes, I will, my owner. Where's your clothes? Then I will do laundry. Give it to me. Ice latte, good morning. Hi, hello.